How to add and switch accounts on Telegram. If you want to add another account on Telegram, you just have to go ahead and first open up the app. And once you open up the app, you're going to have to tap on the three lines at the top left corner. And then from here, you'll find your profile icon. And if you want to add another account, you could just tap on add account right below your profile name. And from here, this kind of interface will pop up on your screen. So first thing you're going to have to do is select your country code. And then from here on out, you're going to have to select your phone number and enter it. So let me just select my country code and then hit enter. Now you just have to enter your phone number and then tap on this next button right here. And after that, Telegram will send you a verification code on your phone number. You just need to verify your account. And if you want to sync your contact, you could turn this on, or if you don't want it, you could just keep it off. So let me just enter my phone number here. Now Telegram will ask you if this is your correct number or not. If not, you can just edit it, or if it's your current number, you can just tap on yes. And after that, you could just go ahead and simply tap on the account and verify your account. Now you will be logged into your another account on Telegram. So if I tap on the horizontal lines at the top left, as you can see, now I'm currently logged into two of my accounts, and that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.